What's up guys, I'm Winchester and today we are on Keydrop, and as you can see here guys, I have 11 people joined my giveaway guys. As you can see here, that's a $500 giveaway guys, and $250 type ultraviolet and ultraviolet Norwegian knife, $150 and $100 AVP SMO. You need to make $5 deposit with my code, sorry my English, and also you can entry 4 times, so if you will deposit with the $20 you can join this giveaway 4 times. And guys, okay, now we can start a video guys, but before starting, if you want to use my code on the side, you can click that description section and join my link guys, and also you can click this section and use code Winchester guys, like this bro, Winchester, and you can click apple button. You will get your free extra 20% deposit bonus and your free 50 cent. You can click this wallet section. You can meet the deposit with every method, also with 20% deposit corners. I think. Okay, now we can start the video. Let's start with the case battles, guys. I love case battles. Let's create it. 3 times this. We have $10,000, bro. 10,000. That was amazing. That's at 5 times David's case. 2 times this. 3 times this. 1 time this. That's 14 round, and that's fucking big battle, bro. 2 versus 2, and let's start it, bro. Let's start it. Come on, let's summon all bots. We are starting, bro. I hope we can win it. Okay, 90. Okay, guys, come on, come on, come on. Holy shit, we got a butterfly, but they got a bonnet too. We are winning right now also. We got 2 fucking big drop. Okay, they didn't get anything. Come on, David case. Let's do David case, by the way. We got 2 more knife from David. What the fuck are you doing, bro? David, come on, let's go. Okay. And the silk cases, the last emerald case will be fucking big, by the way. Come on, silk case. We got 2 gamma doppler, bro. 600. Holy shit. We are going really well, and I hope we can win it. We missed M9 binary lore, but never mind. Okay. Okay. We got a glow. Holy shit, $5,000 glow, bro. Really? $10,000 each, bro. That was amazing, bro. Okay, let's sell all items, bro. Let's create another battle, maybe. Let's do just flame chase. 8 time. Or let's go 10 time, $2,000, and let's create it, bro. Solo. And let's summon bot. The bot worthy. Let's go, bro. Okay, we got a bayonet freehand. Okay, we missed the dragon lore, by the way. We are winning right now. Give us something better items, bro. Come on. Always not wish, bro. Always not wish. Don't do this. I don't want to get this night wish. What is the person? I don't know, but holy shit, we got 1 more bayonet. We are winning right now, but that's not a profit right now. We need one more knife or something. Come on. Oh no, not me, bro. What is this person? I really wonder actually. Yeah, and the last two cases. Don't make any surprise for him. Also, maybe you can get one by it, but that's lose, by the way. That's lose. Okay, we got $1,000, but what is this person, bro? What is this person? Why I'm just getting night wage? Let me find this case here, bro. High risk. Holy shit, I got it. Check odds range. 10% case. Yeah, that's 10% case. That's open 5 times. Give me just one. Give me just one something. We got a hole. We got a hole. We got a hole. We got a hole. Bro, what the fuck? That's 0.7, dude. Holy shit, bro. We got 20,000 fucking dollar. That's really big. And guys, you can check these daily races and get free section. You can get your free cases every day. You can open your daily cases. That's really profitable section. And the skin rush section, as you can see here. You can try your luck on here, guys. And skin changer upgrade section. You already know these all sections. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and guys, see ya.